You recording?
Yeah.
Yes, just started.
Okay.
Let's start now. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, my name is Electricien. I'm interested in solar energy because some countries like Africa might need that, and exporters. And I've seen that US Solar is working in a product which is really interesting. And it might need something strong. And I can say that we don't want maybe copy of US. We like made in US for the quality of the service. Please, I would like you to explain.
Excellent. Well, first and foremost, and if I may, U.S. Solar Institute is what we were grounded on. This is one of the world's most respected and dedicated colleges for the solar energy industry and for solar education. We have found something simple that really, once one must know before one can do. Once one knows, they then need access to the parts and smarts. So what we have done is package that process together by testing the best products on the market, packaging these products, and then putting together in a simple package that can then be used anywhere that they're needed. So once you know, you need access to the parts and smarts. Package systems, U.S. products, tried and true in the tropical environments of the Caribbean, in the high temperature and salty markets. If it works for us here, it works for you anywhere.
Voilà. Alors, ce qu'ils font, c'est que le solar system fabrique un système solaire, mais il est d'abord basé sur la connaissance. Donc, ils éduquent, et c'est une école, mais ils fabriquent. Donc, ils fabriquent ce produit de bonne qualité, et c'est made in US, et ils voudraient continuer à faire cela. Et comme pas de package, c'est-à-dire on va de panel à batterie pour qu'il y ait une indépendance de l'utilisateur. Et ils tiennent à leur image. Et tout ce qu'ils ont fait jusqu'à présent, ça fait 40 ans, 40 years, you said. Yeah, 40 years, 40 ans qu'ils sont dans cette recherche-là. Et moi, je leur propose, en tant qu'exporteur, pour l'Afrique et pour anywhere dans le monde où on a besoin de ces Do you have any idea about how challenging may be, how things happen when people are living far from the United States, they have to buy it, and how they can keep it safe? Or just maybe make a little bit clear, what about training?
Excellent. Well, a couple of good points, and I'll take them one at a time. First of all, you mentioned warranties. What we have done is we have tested only the finest products that are possible, that are made, whether it's a battery, charge controller, or the solar panel itself. When you're putting together an off-grid system, it's very important that all three of these components work together.
Okay.
If you don't choose a lesser expensive charge controller, it will damage your batteries. If you choose to use a lesser quality solar panel, it will not charge your batteries.
Okay.
In the end, the whole system ends up deteriorating and it fails.
And then you can provide all the elements, all the components together.
Exactly. So by packaging, putting the best products together in one piece, then you get the warranties, the systems last for many, many years and provide all the power you need.
Et le système marche quand vous avez acheté le produit la même qualité, la même marchandise avec eux et on a tout le système ensemble. Il ne faudrait pas composer avec des éléments de moindre valeur. Par conséquent, il est bon et il est fiable et il tient à leur image. You are now in the exhibition of power gen. It's a responsibility for you because I believe that this picture will be around the world, and you agreed to certify that it's a good quality of programming.
Absolutely.
Yes. So David, you may take some of a picture maybe around, and people may see that it's not in a small room here, but it's somewhere. And I trust you. That's why I've been discussing with you, because it's a need, and it's even the crossing need for us. And this is it's important to let people know that we will be paid for doing that. Even at the individual level, even at the community level, people should be paid before doing the job. That will be not for one country, but for a lot of countries. So, David, I'm saying that les gens auront besoin de payer avant que le travail soit fait. Mais ils vont garantir la quantité et la qualité. Et donc, ils pourront produire autant que les gens demanderont, à un niveau individuel, à un niveau de communauté, à un niveau de ville, à un niveau de pays. Et that's my pleasure to be with you and to explain that, just because I need this sort of thing and I'm looking for that. I came from Chicago. It was not clear where I come in, but since you are institute, there's a part of learning that we give you and export and to back and to get people to buy the product and sure that people should pay first before manufacture. It's not a store where you can manufacture and that will be waiting. But how long it may be, should people order? Si les gens commandent, combien de temps ça peut prendre? How long it may be to have the package? How long it may take to have a package?
Some systems can be assembled in a single day. Other systems take several weeks. It really depends upon the size of the system. But fortunately, we keep our products in stock. We stock only the finest equipment. We back all of our equipment with the best warranties in the industry. And the systems are usually ready and packaged for export shipping in a matter of days.
What do you mean by weeks? You may have an idea, roughly an idea about a week. 4 weeks? 2 weeks?
1 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
1 to 3 weeks ready to ship.
1 à 2 semaines, ça suffit pour avoir un produit emballé. Vous arrivez, people have just to open the box and get someone to do the job.
We take the systems, and because you're dealing with batteries, charge controllers,
Exactly.
inverters, solar panels, and even racking systems,
Exactly.
we provide the instructions so that one can assemble them together in a very straightforward manner. But it's important to understand this. Again, one must know before one can do. Cannot underestimate the importance of training and safety with working with electrical systems. U.S. Solar Institute is fortunate to be partnered with Underwriter Laboratory. We standard in safety for 120 years, and we encourage all of the people that work with us to get the safety training so the system's going
You just said that it may be used in hospital.
Yes.
In except a hospital may be used for lightning.
For about 5 years ago, I teamed up with an organization called We Care Solar. And what we did is we put together small package systems to be used in hospitals in Nigeria, where there were no electricity whatsoever in the hospitals.
Okay.
Women would have to give birth to their children in absence of any electricity. The electricity ran at best an hour or two at a time, and it was very sad, but children were dying, and mothers were dying from this.
That means it's not just for lightning, but we may use it
for refrigeration. So this gave us the ability to transform the hospital with lighting, with communication services, with blood bank refrigeration, with suction machines, and I'm proud to say that in 5 years, no one has died and no one has been turned away. We're very proud of the effort we've done in Nigeria in this regard.
My pleasure to hear you saying that cela peut marcher pour le réfrigérateur, pour la lumière, pour le fonctionnement des machines, et ce n'est pas seulement pour la lumière. I would like to thank you.
My pleasure.
Cool. I will send you a copy on Friday.
Put it on YouTube.
Yeah, no, not YouTube, just because that